Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on Kraken wallet. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in kraken.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Kraken website. Now click on the My Account option at the top right corner to continue logging into your account. And once you are logged into your account, you will be taken into the trade menu. Now from the trade menu, you can go ahead and click on the buy option directly from the home page and then type in how much you want to buy. You can also type in how much you want to spend in buying your BTC by typing it in USD. You can also find this menu in the regular version of Kraken by clicking on the transfer menu. Right from the home page, you can also click on buy crypto and you will be able to buy your desired crypto. You can also convert from a chosen currency within your wallet to convert into Bitcoin to proceed with buying it. Once you choose either of your options, you can simply select the Bitcoin from the crypto list and then type in how much you want to spend on buying your desired crypto. If you don't have a payment method, click on your account icon at the top right corner and then click on Payment Methods to add a payment method to buy your desired crypto. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to buy Bitcoin on the Kraken wallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.